Look at the bird. No, no, leave him, Uncle. So this bird has been going to Uncle all day long. Uncle, he's eating your... Leave him, Uncle, leave him. He's eating your face. You've got a little friend, Uncle. He's trying to eat your skin. No, leave him, Uncle, leave him. So, Pam earlier told me that Uncle... Hi, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Let's see if I can pick up the birdie. Hi, Birdie. Uncle, you like cook them up? Look, Uncle, you put your hand there. Yeah, Pam said that she was... So Uncle came up to the house. The bird flew on his head. Uncle, you get a friend now. Ow, ow, ow. You little shithead. Ow. I'm going to put him on your hat. See, this is... Yeah, Pam told me earlier that a bird came over and was playing with Uncle. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Oh. Ow. Oh, what is wrong with this thing? Ow. Ow.
You
Ow. Ow. Oh, ow, ow. Ow, ow, you little fucker. Ow. Ow, that little shit.
Yeah, everything is shit.
Little shit. I'm gonna start biting you.
See, he don't bother me.
Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Owie. He likes your hat. Yeah, Pam told me that earlier. There was a bird climbing onto Uncle. You little shit. Ow.
Yeah, he bites it.
Owie, ow. Uncle, put your tongue out. Put, no. Oh, you got on your... You got a friend now.
He went downstairs.